Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of Windows deactivating itself after a Windows 11 update, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's the thing. First of all, run the activation troubleshooter. You will notice the troubleshoot option on the activation page itself. But let us get to the root cause behind it. Why would a Windows deactivate itself when you have just updated Windows? It doesn't make any sense, but it does. Because what if you are using a version of Windows which was falsely activated using a duplicate key? So in that case, Windows will detect it and it will flag it. So search for store in the Windows search bar and opens Microsoft Store. Search for Showkey Plus and go to the Showkey Plus application and install it. After installing it, you can open it and wait for a few seconds for it to load. It will show the key here. If it does, it means your key is correct. But if it doesn't show a key here, that means that you were using a fake key which was detected. This is the resolution as well. You can buy a retail key or you can use some genuine key to activate your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.